Hello guys, good morning. We're off to Ilocos Sur. Sir Paul, say hi. Punta kami Ilocos Sur because meron kami strategic planning. And we're just waiting for everyone to come dahil hindi pa kami kompleto. And kailangan kompleto muna bago malis, syempre. We're just chilling right now. Hello friends, so we're here sa Ilocos Sur, Vitales Villas, and we're here because of a work trip or strategic planning workshop. So it's going to be 3 days, 2 nights. So until Friday. Today is November 5 hanggang 7. So kakarating lang namin dahil sobrang tagal ng biyahe from galing pa kami sa UP, Quezon City to Ilocos Sur. So medyo matagal, inabot na kami ng 8 hours. Nagkaroon pa ng problem with the other boss. So medyo matagal. Ayun, nakatapos namin kumain. And then ngayon nagkakaroon natin ng orientation or kung ano yung mga assignments. And yeah, I'll catch you up later. Bye muna. We're on our way to our villa.
I'm full. Are you full?
Yeah.
Pinakita mo yung food.
Yeah, I did.
Saka bumalik ka, like for the food.
Hindi na?
Hindi din eh.
Busog
I'm
ako
like
eh.
controlling my food intake later. Ito lang, lapit lang natin.
Lapit
sa
lang!
Very nice.
So we're staying here.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much. Ay, tapos, may taas to.
Yung boys. Boys na lang sa baba.
Ooh. Wow. Hi.
Hello, mas okay dito.
Wala na, dibs na namin. Dibs na. Wala na, dibs na.
Dibs.
Wow.
Ano tayo?
Yeah, dito tayo.
Dito kami. Boys to. Sorry. Sorry guys. Sorry.
No, inunahan nyo kami sa harap eh. Eh sa taas.
Eh di ano? Sige, ikot ka doon, Joanna.
Hindi mo ako makikita.
Pwede mo igalaw.
Ang cute naman na dyan.
Ba't ka dyan mo dyan?
Walang cute na dyan. Okay. JB, di ka ba kinakabahan?
Kilabo!
Walang cute nyo. Diyan!
Kaba!
Dam ko ang kaba. Ay, wala nakita yung mirror, oh. Talagang nakita ng mirror yan siya. Oh. Wow, lucky view. You are my best view. Ngi. Hindi ko lang bet tong. Okay, naayos. The view is nice. Ito yung girls' room. Uy, si CJ. Oo, mas malaki nga dun sa amin. Oo. Pero may balcony kami. Tingnan ang CR. Ay, same lang.
Same
Guys, picture! Tamiya!
Start. Next.
Family photo. Kasi ba?
1, 2.
Ay, sorry.
Lol.
Well,
Hi vlog! What's up vlog?
guys.
How was the trip experience, Jiro? I'm so tired. Lalala.
Kapagod yung biyahe.
Dapat si Jiro na lang nag-drive.
Ay, putz. Naisingit pa nga.
Ay, wait lang ah. Wow, nasa labas sila. Ang galing.
Oh, may labas ba?
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Bakit na natin yun, guys?
1, 2, 3.
Guys, reserve box ako. May tubig ba?
Ikaw naman? Gusto mo?
Okay.
Oh, ang cute. No, ang ganda. Thank you so much, Jomona B. Sila. Be, si Pam. Nakita si Pam. Look. Ayun siya.
Lover! Hi! I miss you!
Sila Pam. FM. Damn, look at that view. May zipline.
How you know? Pinuta ko malam! What's going on? Innocent.
Hello, so this is my fit. I'm just wearing long sleeve and then khaki shorts and then chinelas.
Buwan talaga yung Santorini. No? Ito din talaga yung bed sa Santorini.
Hello friends! So, naglilibot-libot lang ako today habang wala pang ganap because may ganap later at 7 p.m. and hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupunta dahil naliligaw ako. Tama ba to? I don't think tama tong dinadaanan ko. Pero, meron talaga silang swimming pool pero hindi siya accessible for today because ginagawa siya sadly. Look. Ang pangit ng timing namin pero wala kaming magagawa. Sayang, siguro ang ganda nito kung kung may infinity pool kaming access. Oh, sayang. Yeah. So, no choice. Let's try dun sa tayo dun sa may swimming pool na maliit lang. Nagsimi? Yeah. Hello guys, nandito ako ngayon, nag-explore sa Vitalis Villas. And actually, tumakas lang ako sa ang ganap namin ng buong office. I'm so sorry agad, pero I just can't help na hindi explore yung resort. They actually have may sarili silang church. Like sa loob ng resort may church. Wow. That's nice. So bago umalis, mag-pray muna ganun. Try ko po muna pumasok sa simbahan before ako bumalik dun sa room namin kasi nandun yung buong office. Oh, this is the church. Look at the church. Cute, di ba? May pailaw pa. Kaso wala dun sa kabila. Kaso wala siyang flowers kasi nakikita ko to sa TikTok. Meron siyang flowers pero hindi pa siya nagbo-bloom. So sad. Meron siyang konting mga flowers pero yung sa TikTok kasi very malago yung flowers. So I think hindi season ngayon. Yeah, so sad. Pero it's okay. Balik na tayo. I think na-explore ko na yung buong resort. Na-explore. Good morning guys. So it's day 2 and ayun, hindi natuloy yung planong tumakbo around the vicinity kasi hindi ako nagising. Mas nagising pa yung mga roommates ko. sorry na JB and Yuan. Pero ayun, hindi ako nagising sa alarm apparently. Ang funny pa kasi mas nauna ako natulog. Diba? Like ang galing ko naman, hindi ko talaga ako nagising. Pero ang mali nila, hindi nila ako ginising. Sinisi pa sila. Anyway, nakapag-stroll kami kaninang umaga. And then, I already ate breakfast. And I'm gonna prepare because we have another ganap.
Sarap. It's good.
Hello guys, hindi scripted guys, promise. Anyway, I just got back here dito sa villa namin and sisilaw ako. And it was really nice kasi nakatakbo ko kahit almost 3 kilometers lang. And I'm with my friend si Ramel. Buti na lang talaga tumakbo kami papunta dun sa kabilang side because di pa namin napuntahan. And I really think this is going to be a tradition. Wow! Every places na first time kong makapunta, I'll definitely run because the best way to explore the area is to run through it. Wow! So, pumunta kami dun sa may biyak na bato. I forgot the name of the rock, pero may pangalan yung rock something. Basta yun. And it was really nice kasi ang ganda ng view and ang ganda ng rock formations and it's very nice. Yung beach lalo kasi yung beach is very clear. We took some pictures ni Romel. Yeah, it was really awesome day. I'm really glad na kasi ginising ako ni Romel. Kasi hindi ako ginising ni Romel, hindi kami makakatakbo. Kasi bigla lang siya sumama sa akin. Kasi I plan to run talaga sa kabilang side by myself. Pero he insisted to come with me. And it was really nice kasi meron siyang camera. And mag-breakfast na kami because I'm hungry. We're hungry. Nagbabanlam lang si Ramel and then kakain na kami. Yeah, it was nice.